Alright, y'all, sorry for the noise. There's some trucks behind me. But I just found pretty small, but it's not really that small, but it's a snapping turtle, and you know that these guys get way bigger than that. I'm gonna try and catch them. Try to get him before he gets in. Pretty shallow over here. Alright, so this right here is a common snapping turtle in this creek bed. It's not really the best creek bed because there's a lot of pollution, as you can see. Bottle right there, bottles everywhere, and a grocery store right there. And it doesn't have that much water in it, as you can see. So it's not really the best spot for this guy. But yep, this is a common snapping turtle. Try to pick him up.